Greetings from MarineMax. This is Jim Ferg, and this is a 2024 Cruiser Yachts 38 GLS South Beach Edition. It's basically brand new, folks. The owner's gone a different path. Joystick control, twin Simrads, great helm seat. You'll see in the pictures a little more detail. Underneath here you have a Seakeeper, boat is equipped with Seakeeper. There's an ice machine right there. There's actually ice in it. Again, you'll see it in the photos. This is a beach door. It goes down. I can't do it right now because we're at dock, but it does go down. Triple 300 Mercury outboards. Does have the flush, so you can flush all three motors just by plugging into there. Remote stereo up back, so if you're lounging, people are in the water, you don't have to go up to the bow. Refrigerator, Canyon grill, never been used. Really a great boat, and it's already been shaken down by the owner, so great opportunity here. You have a table in here. Windshield closes off, and there's a wind gate that closes off. It's really a great boat, great looking boat, lots of fun. Fun boat to be on, fun boat to run. It's really balanced well. It's a beamy boat and doesn't stick up too tall. You do have an opening here, and it does have the sunshade in the back. Let's go down below. This can go down, and you can fill this all in and have a table. Nice head compartment, wet head, you can shower. Nice area down there. There's a TV down there. You'll see in the photos again. Stickers are still on it, never been used. This TV here can come out of here and go up top there, so you can watch TV. And there's a little porthole here, so you can see through there when you're down here. You get some fresh air in here. Nice cabin area. Really a great boat. The owner is having a lot of fun. The owner is continuing to use it. It has approximately 25 hours right now. And it also has a life raft. It's not included in the price. I'm going to show it to you because I think it's almost perfect. It's like it was made for it. It fits right in there, really nice. So anyway, this is Jim Ferg from MarineMax, and this has been a 2024 Cruiser Yachts 38 GLS South Beach Edition. If you're interested in this, give me a call, 609-678-6622, or you can reach me at MarineMax.com. Thank you.